Hi friends, welcome to Diva's Nest. Today we are going to make a very simple, tasty and healthy sweet dish, that is a paisam, or you can call it a kheer. The main ingredient here is an apple. So I've taken a large apple, peeled the skin, and now we need to grate it. So here I'm grating it finely and then keep it aside. Then into a pan I'm adding around 1.5 teaspoon of ghee, and then we need to fry some dry fruits. So here I've added some cashew nuts and raisins. So you can also take almonds or any other dry fruits of your choice. Once we fry all the dry fruits, we can remove it off the pan, and into the same pan now we will add the grated apple which we had kept aside, and then we need to cook this on medium to low flame for around 5 to 10 minutes till the water content is all well evaporated. So keep mixing it so that it does not get stuck to the bottom of the pan, and it should not get burnt also. It will have a very different taste. And also when you are mixing it, you can also add around 1 teaspoon of sugar into this, and then continuously keep mixing till it is well cooked and the water content is completely evaporated, because as you know we cannot directly add the apple into the milk because the milk will become sour. So once you reach this consistency where it started leaving the pan and the water is all well evaporated, then we can take it off the pan. Take this mixture out into another pan and allow it to cool down completely. So in the meantime we will start doing the next process. Here we are taking another pan. Into that I am adding around 2 cups of milk. So for one large apple we have to take 2 cups of milk, and into that we are adding a condensed milk. So here I am taking around 1/4 cup of condensed milk. We will not be adding any additional sugar. So if required, if you want it to be more sweet, then you can add little more condensed milk, or you can also add a little bit of sugar according to your taste. And then we can also add a pinch of saffron if available, and then allow the milk to boil well, and it should start getting thick. Once the milk is boiled well like this, then we can give a nice, keep mixing it so that it does not stick to the bottom. And then it is almost ready. It is kind of thick now. So here I am going to add a little bit of cardamom powder for flavor. So even if you are adding saffron, it is nice to add the cardamom powder. And then it is ready. You can take it off the stove, and then we will transfer it into a serving bowl. So transfer the hot milk into our serving bowl, and then we need to add the cooked apple which we have kept aside. So add the cooked apple, and then we need to mix it gently so that the apple mixture is it gets well dissolved into the hot milk. Okay, so our kheer is ready, and I'm sure you will all like it. It is extremely simple process and very tasty and healthy too. So you can serve it chilled, you can refrigerate it after it cools down a little, then refrigerate it, and then when you're serving you can garnish it with some dry fruits. Here I'm garnished with some dry fruits and some pomegranate too. So hope you all liked it. Please do share your feedback, and if you are liking our videos, then please don't forget to subscribe and support us. Thank you so much for watching.